In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best camping toilets. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best camping toilets. Number 5, Reliance Luggable Loo. If you're looking for a no-fuss, budget-friendly camping toilet that just gets the job done, the Reliance Luggable Loo is a classic choice. This simple 5-gallon bucket-style toilet features a snap-on, hinged seat and cover. No bells or whistles, just practical simplicity. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's incredibly easy to transport, and its rugged design makes it ideal for camping, hunting, fishing trips, or even emergency preparedness at home. It's also compatible with Reliance's double-duty bags, making cleanup a breeze. This toilet may not be luxurious, but it's incredibly effective when nature calls far from modern plumbing. Its generous capacity means fewer trips to empty, and its compact size allows it to fit easily in a tent, RV, or vehicle. Whether you're in a base camp or on a trail, the Luggable Loo keeps things clean, quick, and convenient. It's the ultimate back-to-basics option that gives you peace of mind when you need it most. Number 4, Katy Folding Toilet. When it comes to comfort and portability, the Katy Upgrade XL Portable Toilet hits the sweet spot. Unlike smaller folding models that are too low for adults, this one stands tall at 16.1 inches, making it far more comfortable for everyone, especially those over 5 feet tall. It's constructed from sturdy density board with a soft leather finish, providing a more home-like experience outdoors. The thoughtful additions of built-in handles, a storage pocket, and a waterproof carrying bag make this toilet both practical and luxurious. This portable toilet isn't just for camping. It's a multifunctional tool that can double as a stool, trash bin, or even a small table. It folds down to a mere 3.15 inches thick, saving tons of space in your car or backpack. If you're headed on a long trip, beach day, or hike with the family, this is the kind of versatile and reliable gear that can make outdoor bathroom breaks feel far less stressful and way more comfortable. Number 3, Kohree Portable Toilet. The Kohree Portable Toilet brings a touch of high-end engineering to the world of camping. With a massive 5.8-gallon waste tank and a 3.2-gallon fresh water tank, this unit lets you flush up to 90 times before needing to empty. A true lifesaver for extended trips or families. It's built from durable, leak-proof HDPE and PP materials, and features a waste tank level indicator, splash-free rotating spout, and a sealed valve to keep odors locked away, giving you a worry-free bathroom experience anywhere. Another standout feature is its T-type flush system that provides 360-degree cleaning, ensuring no messy corners are left behind. A bonus water gun makes cleaning the interior super easy. The Kohree toilet was clearly designed with hygiene and convenience in mind, and it's suitable for everything from RV road trips to hospital use. If you're after a powerful, user-friendly, and easy-to-maintain portable toilet, the Kohree is a rock-solid choice that delivers more than expected. Number 2, Dometic 972 Portable Toilet. The Dometic 972 brings household convenience to your campsite with a sleek design and a powerful push-button flush system. No batteries or manual pumping required. Even though it's compact, it packs a lot of features, including a high-strength ABS construction, splash-free emptying, and a prismatic level indicator to keep you informed. This toilet feels solid, secure, and easy to use whether you're on a boat, at a campsite, or in an RV. It might only hold 2.6 gallons, but the Dometic 972 is engineered for efficiency and ease. The full-size seat, latching lid, and long swing-out discharge make it incredibly convenient. If you need something that feels familiar and doesn't skimp on performance, this one checks all the boxes. Its combination of reliability, portability, and comfort makes it a favorite among frequent campers and road warriors alike. Number 1, Thetford Porta Potti 565P Excellence. At the top of the list is the Thetford Porta Potti 565P Excellence, a luxury camping toilet that lives up to its name. With a large bowl, a full-size seat at standard height, and a massive 21-liter waste tank, it offers a true at-home experience wherever you are. The modern design and smooth, cleanable surfaces make it feel more like a bathroom fixture than a portable toilet. It even includes a level indicator for both water and waste tanks, a hidden toilet paper holder, and an integrated carrying handle for stress-free transport. This toilet truly sets itself apart with thoughtful details and premium comfort. Whether you're out in the wild, sailing the seas, or just need a second toilet at home, the Porta Potti 565P is the gold standard. With its piston pump flush system and clever water fill adapter, everything about it is designed for ease, efficiency, and elegance. If you're ready to invest in the best, this is hands down the camping toilet to beat. And there you have it. Our top 5 best camping toilets to help you stay clean, comfortable, and worry-free no matter where your adventure takes you. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.